It was 2 days before Christmas, and Emily got a new car. She finally bought herself another CRV. She had one a long time ago, but she's finally replaced it. She also sold the Lexus, obviously, but we're going to put a new head unit in it. So she bought herself a fancy head unit, which is in her hand, and she's going to do all of it herself. I'm going to give her the tools and instruct. Emily's quite capable of doing this herself without any instruction, but I'm going to help her stuff it up. That sun is a bitey. Jesus.
I call the big one bitey.
The big round one. No swearing on the internet.
Beeping, beep, 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 beep.
Oh, you wanted to film a video? Let me mow my lawn! So Em's already got 2 looms, so this one goes to the car, that one goes to the radio. They're universal, just clip together. There's power, earth and illumination and also ignition power already done. So all we have to do is hook up the parking brake, and if we were using reverse, that, and if we were using external amps, that go. So pretty simple. Gotta put an earth terminal on the handbrake and that's pretty much it. What are we doing, Emily?
Well, it's got Android Play, so I want to prepare for that by running the USB cord into the head unit down here and out of this hole, because it's a nice little hidey hole for my phone.
Oh, lovely. Alright, so Emily's just poking some packing strap through that hole and try and grab it from the top, and then we'll tape the USB cord to this packing strap before she pulls it all the way through, and then we can hopefully pull the USB the whole way through.
My Christmas nails. There's a Christmas tree on my phone.
It's cute.
Thanks.
I would be screwing those to the head unit we just got, and then try and get it the right distance, put the front cover back on, make sure it all fits right, because you're going to have to take it apart like 20 times, I imagine.
That's definitely made to fit properly.
What's wrong?
There's just this tab is,
Irritating?
yeah, this side lines up, but this side's like jumping.
Yeah, it's just filling up your nose. But...
This side lines up nice. This side's jumping.
Okay.
It's a little nipple dude on here. This guy.
Is he in the way?
Yes. Free the nipple.
A little nipple.
Free the nipple.
So that was stopping us from putting the brackets hard up against the radio. So just get rid of those. Em did a good job on the angle grinder. They're all cleaned up. So let's bolt them to the radio.
Right on the left from the spot.
See how they got little...
Yeah, they've been used before.
The used holes. Always use the used holes.
Used holes only.
And then it will be wrong, and then we can fix it later. So I always do a test fit with the radio before you plug everything in, just to make sure it sits the correct amount out of the front of the radio or the dash or whatever. So we're just doing that now. Then we'll put the cover back on, make sure it's roughly right, see if the fascia kit fits, and then take it all out, plug it in. Well, actually, because this is plug and play, we can probably just plug it all in, and if it's right, we can just leave it.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Nothing will ever fit like a glove again. So parking brake's going to have to go into the brackets that you just screwed on that I forgot to tell you about. My bad. I'm not helping. We'll be back after this commercial. We're back. Plugging in Little Mermaid, and then the USB.
And it doesn't matter if you check, it's always the wrong way.
Every time, except for that time.
Except for
And
that
now
one.
tuck it.
Everyone loves a good tuck. Hey, Jared.
I was going to say something along those lines, but I was going to leave it alone.
I don't leave it alone.
Just watch this wire when you go in, because that's going to be a bit taut.
It's going to be in the way of your
Good
camera.
video of your head. That's OnlyFans actually, but look at that go, guys. I don't even need to be here, except for the angle grinding that Emily did.
I did not think that you said angle grinding just then.
What did you think I said?
Nothing.
Angle grinding?
Just watch the clip back. That's all I'm saying.
It's just a mumbly mess.
Roll the tape.
Roll the tape, guys. Emilyception. Watch out! I'm right, okay.
Click it in, I don't want to have to take it off again.
Well, we need to know how in out it is. Isn't.
Stop helping.
I'm not. Just looks like I'm helping because you've got 3 hands.
If you haven't seen Bo Berman's inside, you should definitely watch it.
It was quite good actually. It was very strange.
That streaming service.
The red one.
The red one. The red one.
Really bite into my SD card here, babe. Just hurry up a bit. This is the 30th time we're putting the fascia kit back on. The fascia kit is useless, but it has this little trim that's kind of working. Alright, so we got the fascia kit back in about 1 million times. We've cut all of the tabs off basically. There's 2 on the bottom and the side ones, I think. That's it. So got it sitting pretty flush. It doesn't fit particularly well, but once you're not paying attention to it flat out, it's not going to matter. We sure did forget to plug in the microphone though. Let's take it apart again.
Great success.
Alright, we pulled it all apart. Put the microphone back in. For some reason this kit comes with a clip, probably for your A-pillar I imagine, rather than the double-sided tape like normal. So just got the screws back in, and we got to drill a hole for the USB cord, which I can't pick up. But I am scared of drills at the moment, so we'll leave that for a little bit. I'm going to turn the key and see if it starts. Nice. The final and most important step.
Peel prawn.
Fingerprints. A mighty fine looking CRV. Why doesn't Emily's look like that?